Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can recover deleted photos and videos on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to open, for instance, Files by Google, so we can find it in the Google folder. And then over here we can tap on these three lines here in the top left corner, and we have Trash over here. Here we will find all photos and videos that we have removed from our device in the last 30 days. If you remove something, it moves to trash and it stays there for 30 days. If you don't do anything with these files for 30 days, then they are permanently deleted. And if you want to recover those files, then all you need to do is simply select which images or videos you want to restore, and then over here in the bottom left side of the screen we have restore, so you can press this button, confirm that you want to restore those files, and that's all you need to do. You can also select all of them by choosing this circle where it says all time, and then we have the restore. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.